Welcome back to another episode of the Crypto Serpent, and if you do enjoy the videos, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Vechain community, welcome to another phenomenal week in the crypto space, and I wanted to kick off the week with a very important video, which is the Vechain video, right? Because I know you guys do enjoy this content, and as there's a lot to talk about in regards to Vechain in the next couple of months that are coming up. But kicking off with a massive announcement from Vechain that happened just a day ago, and that is that the movement is here. We're pleased to announce DHL has chosen Vechain for blockchain for their NFT collection. Massive. Now, as a trend pioneer, DHL China has allowed everyone to customize the DHL mascot and mint it as an NFT on the Vechain blockchain. This is really bullish. This is just the beginning of a robust NFT ecosystem, and we are looking forward to future collaborations with the DHL team. Very bullish. Very bullish. Now, the NFT space that Vechain is looking to tap into and be a leader in is very different to your traditional NFT ecosystem. And we will cover that off more and more as we unpeel the onion around what is this NFT ecosystem and how in the business world Vechain NFTs are going to become a very important and big deal. But this is very exciting news, right? I mean, Vechain has all the right partnerships. It has an incredible ecosystem. It has an incredible star-studded lineup of businesses that are already involved, and it is involved in so many different verticals. All we have to do is just be patient because the price will catch up to the worth. Now, Vechain's carbon footprint SaaS platform adopted by socially responsible premium yak wool brand Shuke, partner of H&M. Once again, another example of just how diverse this blockchain is, how well equipped this blockchain is to really dominate out there in the space. It is super exciting, super exciting to watch Vechain collaborate, join forces, adapt, and move into utilizing the blockchain for sustainable development. And that is where the longevity of the Vechain project becomes very appealing and very exciting, especially at today's prices, right? As we look forward into 2022, 2023, 24, 25 and beyond, it is an exciting system to be a part of because they are utilizing their blockchain for sustainability development of the future. And that is something, ladies and gentlemen, that is not going to go away anytime soon. Now, follow the social media accounts, hit that alarm bell. There are 453,000 people that follow Vechain, and I love their motto, right? Everything is connected. That is so good. It is an incredible ecosystem. It's an ecosystem that is not going to go anywhere and is going to take a bigger step forward in the months to come. Jump on vechain.org. Check out the website. Learn about it. Read. Take the time to understand what is involved. Now, also, from an enterprise level, understand the enterprise element of the Vechain blockchain system, because the enterprise level of complexity and how this particular system will work really well at an enterprise level is really important to understand. And you may not be in the enterprise sector. You might be in the retail sector. You might not be in any business sector at all. But you got to understand this stuff because it will hold very true to when the prices go up or down. It'll give you posture to understand what is going on and what is happening in the space. Because at enterprise level, Vechain is untouched. It is untouched compared to any type of competitor that is trying to get in there. They will not penetrate how good the Vechain system is. Now, there is also grant programs, right? So Vechain Foundation grant program. So the Vechain grant provides developers and researchers with unique opportunities to join the ecosystem, to build and create values around its abundant and fast-growing community. So check it out, right? I mean, you could be the next organization, company, person to build on the Vechain system, from applications to development tools and infrastructure to research, right? The grant program supports blockchain related research on a wide spectrum of topics, including but not limited to blockchain, consensus, governance, tokenomics. The list goes on and on and on. And there's a whole process, right? You apply on GitHub, you have a preliminary review, and then you have a committee review, and then maybe you get accepted. Now, if you heard on here first and you did apply and you did get it, please let me know. Comment, private message me, reach out to me. It'd be cool to know that you watched this video, you applied, and you got it. Now, VBlocks got given 13.5 grand. An institutional map of Vechain governance got given 29 grand. Leaderless BFT consensus got given just over $15,000, right? And Digital Village got given $30,000. Now, Digital Village focuses on fashion industry and allows users to mint NFTs bound to 3D fashion designs. I mean, how cool is that? That is really cool. And the world is changing. The world is changing every single day. And blockchain, NFTs are going to be a big, big part of it. But do check it out. Do spend the time. And we will today, of course, we will cover off pricing, where we're going, where we're at, and where are we heading to, right? Because we are heading towards $1. We will be beginning that journey towards that. We've already started to see the price warm up, but it's about to get a lot hotter out here. Now, a 3,000% move over the coming years, right? It is coming. Now, I don't believe that you're going to see $2.30 this year. Sorry to break it to you. I have a lot of you ask questions, hey, can we get to $2 this year? I don't think so. My prediction, and I will stick to $1.10 to $1.15, $1.20 max. Of course, if I see $2, I'll welcome it, but I see that more as a long-term thing. I do not see that happening anytime soon, but that is one person's opinion, and that's all you should take it on. And remember, it's not financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. I'm telling you my perspective on it and my views on it, right? To help you and guide you. Let's jump into a time. Let's have a look at some of the indicators. So as we begin to look at the charts, and we're looking in particular here at the daily to begin with, we can see that the price action has been bullish, right? So you can see that the MACD is bullish, but there's not too much volume at the moment. Now, when I look at the hourly, when we look at that, right, we can see that we were off the moving average 100. We jumped back up. We're about to touch it again, but we did have a move where, we almost went as high as 13 cents. Not quite. We didn't quite get there. But we are waiting, of course, to see what Bitcoin does and how it moves. Now, there are rumors and suggestions that the ETF of Bitcoin will launch today or tomorrow. Now, Bitcoin should theoretically go on a massive rise from there. It will be very, very, very fast, aggressive, break previous all-time highs kind of stuff. That will swallow up the altcoins temporarily. So while right now it looks like all the signals here or there are looking like a potential bullish system, Bitcoin could potentially swallow up the whole market, which means great opportunities to buy the altcoins at a cheaper price and then wait for Bitcoin to settle down. And when Bitcoin settles down, the altcoins will rise. So just be very, very mindful of that, because that is something that can definitely occur. Now, again, it's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm just telling you, if you watch your altcoins bleed and go down in price and value, that is why. Now, as I look through at the moment, and I would say that the best thing to do when it comes to altcoins is wait at the moment, right? We don't know how Bitcoin's going to react to this ETF news that is coming out. And it looks like, there will be buying opportunities, mainly because Bitcoin will just swallow the market and then the altcoins will rise. So it's going to be very, very interesting to see. Now, of course, that is also dependent on news, right? If Vechain were to launch on Coinbase tomorrow, then that would be completely different. And there are a couple which are going to be launching on Coinbase, which we'll cover off on the channel this week. And it looks like, there are some strong rumors going around that Phantom could launch any day on Coinbase. Again, rumor is the key terminology here. It's just a rumor, nothing confirmed. Let's have a look at some drawings. Now, as we begin to look at the charts at the moment for Vechain in particular, we are looking at this one very, very, very closely. And it's this reverse head and shoulders pattern that is got the whole world excited when it comes to Vechain from a technical perspective, right? We got 15 cents as a key point of interest, 19 cents, 22 cents, and 25 cents. If you're a day trader, they would be the kind of, the kind of take profit points that would become very, very appealing. Now, long-term holders like myself, we don't care about this stuff. Don't do day trading, so don't care for it. It's more of a long-term hold. See the value, hold for hold for as long as you can, right? But it's important. It's important to understand what is going on here and the importance of it. And we are waiting for that, that sign that the altcoins are going to start rallying really, really hard. But these are the key points. 15, 19, 22, and 25 are very, very lucrative points. Of course, as we move forward, as we go into the distance and look forward, breaking the 30s, the 40s, the 50s, the 60s. And like I said, I think we'll land at $1.10, $1.15. That's where I've stuck from it. I've stuck to that since March, and I'm going to continue to stick with it. I'm not going to get my judgment clouded. And again, it's one person's opinion, right? I mean, if we get to 2, fantastic. But for me, 1 to 110 to 115, 120 maximum. 14, 18 cents, 22 cents, and 27 cents are very. 27 is going to be a major resistance point before it breaks into the 30 cents. Now, short term, this is what the focus is on. The focus is on how quickly can we break into 27 and then push out to 27s and go into the 30s, right? That is the short term analysis that we're looking into. As we go into November, December, and breaking previous all-time highs and going towards $1.10, very, very possible. At a minimum, 60 cents. I want to mention that, right? At a minimum, 60 cents. But 110 to 115. I think that's where we'll end up. But as I mentioned, in regards to short-term vision and short-term goals, we're looking very, very closely right now to get the volume to step back into Vechain. Once volume kicks back in, then we will start to see, 15 cents broken back into the 20 cents and beyond. Very, very, very exciting times for the Vechain family. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. As always, thank you. And I look forward to see you on the next one.